How to fix archive stories missing or not working on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now launch the Play Store application just to make sure you have an updated version of Instagram application. And as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Instagram to tap on app info. Now simply you can tap on the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So do that and clear the cache. Now what you can do is you can relaunch the Instagram application. Now if that doesn't fix the issue, you can just uninstall the application and reinstall Instagram application, and that might as well help you out. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.